Good evening. I decided to share with you guys. I made some salad for tonight, and these are already left over. I already made my salad, as I've said. So I used some lettuce and cucumber, lemon, tomato, and a pineapple and mango. So these are still my leftover from salsa last time. I just stored them together and usually use for salad or eat it by itself, or I can make a smoothie out of it. So yun. And since I like spicy, I dropped some jalapeno on my salad as well. So I made my own dressing out of white vinegar, extra virgin olive oil. This is how it looks like. We have salt and pepper also here, and I dropped some lemon. So I tried this. My European friend introduced this to me, and when I tried it, I really like it. It's so light and fresh, and I don't know if you guys will like it, but you can just try. Just keep adding salt and pepper as you go. I don't I don't even use measuring to, stuff. Just pour it and then just bada moment in Bisaya pa. Just estimate according to, and then taste as you go. So this is my salad. So as you can see, I like mine to be chopped thinly or tiny. So these are all the combination of the ingredients. So very light and perfect for those people who just like to have a light dinner, light lunch, or you can use this for appetizer before your heavy meal. So that's all ready. I just need to pour this dressing on my salad, and there you go, my light dinner for tonight. So just sharing this to you guys. So whatever you're eating, happy eating, and thank you for watching. Have a good night. Bye.